Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm good. I hope you are good wherever you are. And in today's video guys, I just want to we are on our new house site. Yeah, we want to store some food for our cows for future use. Yeah, we had finished constructing the structure that we want to store the food, and today we are just carrying the food and storing in that structure. And right here we have some food we have carried from the farm, and we want to take it to that structure we have constructed. Yeah, some we are carrying them with a motorbike, and this one I've carried them with my back. Yeah, so I just want to go to the place we are, the farm we are carrying from, and carry some so that we can go and show you where how the structure looks like after constructing. Yeah, so guys, watch the video to the end. Yeah, as I do the work with you guys. So guys, right now we are heading to the farm, yeah, to carry some more food for our cows for future use. Yeah. So guys, this is the place. So guys, because we have not finished in the farm, yeah, my husband will go for one more round. Yeah, then we will come and carry with our bags to our destination. So we will just wait him here. Then when he comes back, we will go with him. We will carry with our bags to our new house site. And for me guys, I've been carrying with my bag from the farm. Yeah, this is what I've carried. I've just carried 2 rounds, but you can imagine carrying all of them with our bags. It could be so more tiresome, because even now I feel tired, and I've just carried only 2 rounds. Yeah, so I think the motorbike makes work easier. Yeah, because hey, if it was not there, I don't know. Yeah, but it has helped us so much. Yeah. So guys, right now it's time to take them to our final destination. So guys, this is our place. Yeah, this is where we have constructed. I hope you can see it very well. Yeah, that is it. We have even stored some. So guys, this is how our compound looks right now. This is the far we have gone. Yeah. And our grass here is also growing very well. Yeah, and our bananas here are also growing. That is one. We have some avocados. This is one avocado tree. Yeah, and this is another one here. Very grown. So guys, how does our structure look like? This is it guys. We will be storing the food on the upper side. Then our cows will be here on the ground level, just like the one we are using right now in our current house where we are living. Yeah, we have just built it the same way we have built this one. Yeah, the cows are underground while their food are on the upper side. And this is how it looks from this place. Yeah, so guys, what is remaining is just the iron sheet for this side. Yeah, this side has no iron sheet, so we have to find one so that we can be able to do the complete roofing of the structure. Yeah, so guys, right now we want to to put this food we have carried for our cows on top there. Okay. So we have just finished storing, and that is enough workout for me. That is enough workout, guys. So now we want just to put a polythene paper to avoid them from being rained on. Yeah, as we search for iron sheet to roof. Yeah, so we want to put a polythene paper, because when they are left like that and it continues raining, they will just rot. Yeah, and all our hard work will go into vain. Yeah, we could have been got tired for nothing. So we just want to put a temporary roof of the polythene bag. Yeah, then is it a polythene bag or a polythene paper? Yeah, a polythene paper. Then we will get a iron sheet later and roof it. And guys, our napier grass on this side is also growing very well. Yeah. The other side over there is the place that was being uprooted by an unknown person. I don't know who. But I'll just plant another one. I will continue planting so that they can continue uprooting. Yeah, but this side over here, it's good. It's coming up very well. So guys, this is how we have covered them. Yeah, although there are some parts which have not been covered like these ones. Yeah, but the larger part is covered, so we will just get iron sheet and roof this other place, so that we can protect them from being rotting due to the heavy rains. So guys, we have just finished today's work and I'm so tired, guys. Yeah, so Watch the video to the end, guys. Leave a nice comment, like, share, yeah, so that we can get to 4,000 watch hours and 5,000 subscribers. Guys, I have hit the first target of 1,000 subscribers, so now we are heading to 5,000 subscribers. So subscribe if you have not, yeah, and I will be so grateful. So let's meet in the next video, guys. For now, it's a bye bye.